So before I started making my own dishwasher detergent, I was using this kind to start off, and it cleans my dishes good, but the problem for me was that it was gunking up my dishwasher. And it eventually gunked up my dishwasher so bad that I couldn't close the door where the soap goes, and that had to be replaced, which was kind of expensive in my opinion, so I looked to switch to a new kind. So I switched to these. They're the little tabs that you don't have to measure anything, you just pop one in. It's got your rinse aid in there, it's got your drying stuff, all in one thing. I think these are great. I really like them. They work good. They don't gunk up my dishwasher. What I don't like about these is the price. And that's why I started making my own dishwasher soap, because it's cheaper and it doesn't gunk up my dishwasher. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade dishwasher detergent, and I apologize if I cough during the video. We're all sick around here, and so we're just trying to get over our coughs and our sickness. But making your homemade dishwasher detergent is really easy to do, and it's pretty cheap. I haven't figured out exactly what it costs me to make a batch, but it's really cheap. First, you take borax. You buy it on the laundry soap aisle. You take borax and you pour a cup of it. And it's kind of clumpy sometimes, so kind of just have to do your best. It kind of makes a mess a little bit. See where we're at. Not quite a cup. This is a little too much, but I'll just make sure I get a little more of all my other ingredients. This is more about proportions than it is about precise measuring. So we need 1 cup washing soda. Excuse me. So we'll do just a little bit more than 1 cup of washing soda. And this is what washing soda looks like. Again, you get it on the laundry soap aisle. I'll just do a little bit more since I had a little too much of the borax. Okay, so 1 cup washing soda. Then we need a 1/2 cup citric acid. And citric acid comes in many different forms, but I bought this bag off of Amazon. It was really cheap. It's food grade citric acid, so you can go ahead and do a 1/2 cup, a little bit more than a 1/2 cup of this, since everything else has been a little bit more. And then last but not least, we need a 1/2 cup of kosher salt. And that's all that you add to your dishwasher detergent. You just stir it, make sure you get it stirred up to all nice together. Break up any clumps that are in there of anything. You're probably not going to be able to get all the clumps out, but just try to get most of them. And there it is. And what I do when I start a load is I take vinegar, just regular distilled white vinegar, and I put that into my rinse aid compartment, and I also put it on the door of my dishwasher. And then I take just a tablespoon of this mixture that I just made, and that goes into my soap compartment. Just 1 tablespoon, and I leave this tablespoon measurer in my dishwasher soap container so that it's real quick and easy. And then I have my lid labeled that it's poison. There's borax in here, and that's not good for kids or dogs or anybody to eat, so I just label it as poison. And I've told my husband what's in it. I should probably put that there's borax in it in case anything happens, so I'm gonna go ahead and mark that right now. Okay, can't be too careful, got it labeled. This goes in a locked cabinet so that my kids can't get into it, but you still want to be careful no matter what.